A 50 kg basket of tomatoes is sold in the market. 50 kg basket of tomatoes is sold in the market for 90,000 naira. If you plant 1 acre of land, your expected yield of tomato is 200 of that basket. 200. Now multiply 90,000 by 200. Now let's say 90,000 will not get to farmers because there will be transport fare, there will be police on the road, there will be basket fee, there will be loaders fee both on the farm, there will be loaders fee that will load into trailers, there will be offloaders fee that will load in the market. So let's just split that money into half. Let's say 50,000 gets to the farmer. 50,000 per basket. And the farmer, let's say the farmer cannot get 200 bags. He makes some losses. So let's go to 50%. So if a farmer is selling a bag for 50,000, and at 50% means he has 100 bag. So 50,000 times 100, I think that's about 5 million. Am I right? Okay, yeah. So you see, what I'm trying to tell you now is that currently currently anyone that is into food business is into money. You know, imagine 50,000 multiplied by 10, that's 500,000. Then multiply by another 10, that's 5 million. Yes, I'm correct. So I'm just trying to, I'm still imagining, I'm trying to calculate. So you can imagine if you plant tomatoes. And now, is it every farmer that is making that money? No. Capital no. It's only few farmers that are making that money. So what differentiates those farmers that are having produce, that are having the tomato to go to the market to sell at 50,000 or even 40,000, what differentiates them from the other farmers that do not have anything to go to the market to plant? It is called practical experience. It is called knowledge. Okay, so some farmers are making that, while a lot of farmers are not making that. So the difference between them is the practicality of it, the knowledge, the system, understanding the system, knowing how to plant tomatoes. And then another most important thing, targeting, knowing when to plant tomatoes. I remember in my book those days, Tomato Millionaires, I explained it into two. So at Farm4Profit Academy, we explained the strategy of targeting the market. No, like I said, not how farmers are selling at 50,000, 90,000. No, not how farmers. There are several farmers that do not have. It's only a few farmers that have. So it is limited in the market. So it is those few farmers that understand the targeting of the market. We always know every year in Nigeria for the past 20 years, tomato scarcity starts from March ending or early April of every year. April, May, June, there's always scarcity of tomato, even up to some part of July. So that they are selling tomato 90,000 now is not a surprise to some of us, but it's surprising to some people because they don't know the targeting. One, how do you now know the targeting? You learn, you research, you need to learn from people that have been there before. In January, if you plant tomatoes in January, your tomato might not meet the market because it spent 3 months on the farm. If you plant in February, you meet some of the market. If you plant in March, yes, you are just getting it because you add 3 months to the time you are planting. So that is how to target tomatoes market. Believe me, after this 90,000, by July it will go down a bit. By August it go down a bit. By September it will be plenty again. By October, it's targeting actually. So you need to learn and understand the targeting for you to make money in tomato planting. I'm analyzing this thing one by one so that you understand that you need to understand the tricks and treats on the farm, and that is what Farm4Profit Academy do solely. We put you through how to plant tomatoes, how to plant cucumbers, how to plant pepper, how to target their market, how to know when to go to the market, how to know when not to plant, how to know the soil, how to develop your soil to be suitable to get good yield out of the soil. Tomato planting. Join us, Farm4Profit Academy. Batch 6 is currently enrolling. It's just 1 month class, 30 days, and class is coming soon. Follow me at Yinka Adesola and follow me at Farmvilla. I'm always there for you. You can WhatsApp only, no calls. WhatsApp on 080 646 88501. We put you through how to plant tomato at Farm4Profit Academy. Join us for the next batch.